Good morning. My name is Daniel Ramo. Past 32 years, I was driving taxi. Suddenly, I was stroke. When I stroke, I couldn't drive my taxi. Then, taxi association was organized a seminar. It's a motivation seminar. I also attend the seminar. When I attend the seminar, I saw Master Lingam was running the classes. When I went to attend the yoga classes, after attending the yoga class, it's improving day and day was improving. What Master said daily, every day, morning I get up and I start do the yoga classes. After yoga classes, it's improved me a lot now. I was now back to drive taxi. So I strongly recommend everybody must attend the yoga classes now. It's very good for our people. So strongly I recommend yoga class is very important in our life before we fall sick like me, stroke and other kind of sickness. Thank you. Vanakkam.